In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the website that I gave you a link to that will help you with your coordinate plane, drawing your quadrilaterals, which is a four-sided shape. Here they give you three sides or three coordinates. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add another coordinate around this area, 7, 3. I'm going to add another coordinate, so I'm going to put a comma, parentheses, 7, comma, 3. All right, I'm going to click the addition, the check. So now I've got a point here. So I can move these around. So let's just say it asks you to place a point at 1, 6, and another point at 1, 1. This is where 1, 1 is. And a point here at 6, 1. So this is 6, 1. And a point right here at 6, 6, 6. And there you have it right here. Now you can do coordinates and all that. A whole lot of little bells and whistles that you can do. Take the sides on and off. But I think you should keep the sides on, okay, so you can actually see the shape that you made. All right, and that is it.